I was sent this product by a company. I'll put the link to the description. This is a cordless paint sprayer. Got a nice little funnel there. This must be the main unit. Yeah. We're going to try this out on a I think on a couple projects here around the house. Looks like, here, let's go like this, and there you go. Wow, that's pretty cool. Now, it is tool only. So, it operates on a DeWalt battery, I was told by them. So, yeah, let me get that right now. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our DeWalt 20-volt battery on there. Now, as you can see, it sits very nicely with that low profile battery. Very nice. Has a nice display right here for your measurements. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a demonstration. Also says in the directions, it says if you're going to be spraying like this, have it like that, but you can also rotate this in the orientation of your flow of your spray. So if you're at an angle like this or like that, yeah, you can always adjust this right here. All right, I have set up a demonstration here. These are some cedar planks. I have some stain all loaded up. Now, with stain, you do not have to dilute it. Okay, let's get going here. I do have the nozzle set at a vertical position. And it lays down nice and even. Very nice. This right here is your pattern where you can adjust it from a circle to an oval. Yeah, I really like this. Very nice, very nice. Yes, I'm really enjoying the freedom you have with having no cord, no hoses, no compressor, anything like that, no extension cords. Yes, you can go up and down ladders with it. You can, it's easy to store. Cleaning is very easy. I really think that it's going to come in handy here around the house. I really appreciate you stopping by and checking this little paint sprayer out. I'm going to put the link to everything that you've seen here in the description. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.